Today, we have one mission: finding the remaining rare parts we need to finish our Studebaker. So today, we're scouring little-known junkyards in the furthest corners of the internet, trying to find the last few parts we need to get this truck back on the road. We need to hurry because we want to have this truck ready for our town's annual Christmas parade, so that means we have to do whatever it takes to get this truck finished and driving, even if that means we have to fight the earth to obtain the last few parts we need.
Yeah, that's a big boy.
Big
boy. So you joined Lycran and I on a mission today. We have found a local wrecking yard
Diamond in the rough.
that specializes in old cars, and we are looking for the missing wheels that we need. We have found probably no fewer than 9 Studebaker trucks, though,
Easy.
at this point, and none of them are what we need, unfortunately. But we have a lot of looking to do at this point. So we only have a few minutes here, though, because they're getting ready to close, and we're going to try and run through this yard, see if we can find anything, and maybe we can beg them to sell us something off one of the other ones up front too.
Who knows?
Who knows? Anyway, it's an adventure. We'll keep you updated. How do you get back in there? GMCs, Fords. He said there's a Studebaker section. Oh, whoa, here we are. Boom.
Oh.
Boom. Hot rod. Oh, there we got a 2R5 right there.
Yeah.
I see a wheel.
There's a wheel in the back here.
I see a wheel. God be the right one. Oh.
The bed's kind of shot, so gotta be a little careful.
All right, well, what do we got?
We got.
Has it got the clips on it though? No, that looks like a dog dish wheel.
Yeah. I don't think it's right.
There's some more back in there too.
Yeah.
I see. What's the other ones look like? Ugh.
Oh, they're really different.
Oh wow, those are way different.
Ain't right. Over four.
We got another. I see. That's a 2R5. That's a 2R5. That's not.
Oh, still has the dash and the steering wheel, even though half of it's
Ugh.
cut in half.
Okay, well, keep moseying. Let's see what we got here. Oh man. Ow. Ow. That don't look right either compared to what we had. Oh, they didn't cut it. It's just literally rotted apart.
Oh yeah. It's been here that long.
Huh.
Here's our prototype, bud, for our
Yeah. Oh God, something
for
moved.
Our bed rail side.
Something moved. Ow, ow, ow. I don't look right.
This is a 3/4 ton. It has the
Yeah.
big wheels. 6
So that's
lugs.
that's a 3/4 ton too. This is the only half ton. Ow. Ugh. That wheel looks completely different.
What are they putting on these things?
Everything, anything, whatever they got. Ow. That don't have nothing up front there.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
That's a good hood ornament. And that's about it.
Well, I was hoping it... I don't even know what bumper that's off of. That's not a Studebaker. That's okay. I've seen these type of wheels, but that's not what.
The hub looks.
That's not what we've got.
No, the inner part of the.
Okay, so we've got all kinds of different wheels, and I just want matching sets so we can put a set of caps on it. We are literally striking out in the worst ways possible right now.
Yeah.
Dang it. My legs itch now. I got into weeds. I'm wearing shorts.
Is there anything over there?
I don't know. Yeah. There's a lot of stuff here, but go figure, nothing that we needed so far. That's not even C cabs. Oh, God. Legs itch. It's a DeSoto. Ooh, buddy. Hey, IH's. There. Little Scout. Looks like. Scout 2.
Quite the eclectic paint job there.
Very 80s.
Yeah.
Now we're in the motorhomes. Okay, we're looking in the window of this 49 Commander, and this is a wheel that is very similar to what we need. I think. I don't know how wide it is though. It's a 15. It is a 15-inch wheel, Larkin.
That's good.
It's progress, but I don't know if it's gonna match. Let me grab the tape. Hold the phone. I'm gonna measure it.
All right.
Ow. Before I go through the trouble of trying to get this out of here. Ow. Ow.
Here's the car we're working with here.
4.5 Larkin, that's a strikeout.
4.5. Ain't gonna work. Darn it. Strikeout on the old champion. Pretty cool old car though. Just the wrong wheel. Even still has the center cap. Snakes? Oh no.
Okay, if there would have been a snake, I'd have kicked your ass for that.
We just got a lot of devil's rope in here,
It's
my
another-
friend.
It's another 15.
Yeah. Looks too narrow though.
Way too narrow, and it's a 5x4.5. This must be a newer Commander. I think it's like a 51.
Ah.
Old gas station sign or service sign of some kind. The hunt goes on and on and on. Lord. If I was ever curious where all the 64 to 6 C10s went, they're here, apparently.
Every single one of them.
Every one of them. Oh, that's a Triumph.
Yeah. A GT6, I believe?
Yeah. I think this one was for sale on 6 a few years ago. I remember the color.
Triumph Herald, I believe, is what the Roadster is.
Huh. Well, not what we need. And we're running out of time here. Mustangs. Broncos.
Getting into some Jeeps here.
Willys. Wow. Oh yeah, we got the Jeep stuff. Wagoneers. Oh, forward control Jeep over there.
Yeah, that's cool. I don't see many of those around.
No, that's all Jeeps. I think that was all the Studebakers, man. I'm gonna be honest. Wow. These would have to be it, right? These would have to be what's on the front, at least.
I think so.
Them look wider than a... What do we got up? Is there one up front there?
Yeah, it's well sunk in though. You can't really read it. Oh, it's a 255 70 15. There's a 15 right there.
Right there.
Has the tabs, so we know it's Studebaker.
Right. Here, hold this again. I'm gonna measure. I'm gonna see if I can get through that. That might be a 6.5, maybe. I don't know what I'm measuring to.
Still close to our 15 by 6 though. I don't think they did a 15 and a half, so
It's
or
gotta be a
6.5 though, you know?
I don't know. I'm hitting something over here.
Probably the tube of the tire.
No, that's the... That would have to be close.
I think that's our 15 by 6.
Yeah. It's on the front here.
What we got over here on this other side?
It's got some kind of bias play, I think.
Oh yeah. Optional radio. Something ours don't have.
So after a rather lengthy negotiation, we were finally able to make a deal for the wheel we needed. But unfortunately, I had to catch a plane to go after some other stuff, so that meant I had to send Larkin back out alone to try and retrieve it.
So now I'm on my way back down to the junkyard for the second time today. But this time I got our wheel that is coming off of our truck and the other wheel that we got, if you recall, from the Studebaker club. And I'm going back down to see if I can get this deal worked out where I have to trade the wheel off my truck onto his truck and add $50, and I gotta do all the work, but it's finally what we need, so we're just going to go with it. So currently, this is my wheel, the one that I found. There's another one on the other side and it's just as buried, so I'm gonna see if I can get this thing jacked up so I can just get to it. Not sure, but I got about an hour before they close, and gonna see if I can get this thing off. This might have been easier than I realized. This thing is so rusty that it's completely disconnected from the rest of the truck. The leaf spring is sitting on the ground, so maybe I can just get them bolts off, them nuts off, and we'll be home free. Little grasshopper, he's probably gonna not like what I'm about to do here though. I've gotten it to this point. As you can see, my jack is sunk into the ground. I'm out of breath. Been fighting with this thing. We're so close. I'm gonna get this thing. If it's the last thing I do. It's about to be free for the first time in who knows how long. Boom. There we go.
After Larkin returned with the wheel, I had to get busy, which unfortunately didn't leave me a ton of time for filming. Along with a huge list of other tasks I had to finish, I had to get the wheels ready for paint. I also had to get a set of hubcaps ready for paint as well that I scored. After being through a fire, these were in desperate need of a refinish, so that was on the list as well. I also had a few extra touches I wanted to add to the truck, which added even more work, but in the end, it was definitely worth it. Alright, so we finally got the truck redone. You're going for a little drive. Look at my knee right now as I'm trying to hit the clutch. It's like all the way up at the wheel. It's comical almost. But we got it cleaned up today. I got the wood rack built in the bed, the hubcaps redone on the wheels. I mean, this has been a labor of love for the last few months. You guys have been checking and following this restoration with us, and it drives really good. I mean, it's bouncy, obviously, but this truck is cleaned up so nice, and I'm just glad to be able to like take it down the road. I'm excited we're gonna put it in the parade here coming up. We're gonna try and do an exhibit hall where we can do like Christmas cards and stuff for photos. So that's gonna be fun, you know. And now we get to kind of do the fun stuff, like the hard stuff's behind us. We're running, we're driving, you know. The brake does stick a little bit every once in a while. I have to like pull it up off the floor. But other than that, I mean, it drives like a dream. So Caitlin and I are gonna take it back to the museum. We're gonna put it in its new spot for the night, and we're gonna come back to it again at some point. We're hopefully gonna like do a whole rundown drive for the truck, you know, so you guys can see the detail for it and everything. But yeah, running and driving, and now we're just in the enjoyment part of it, which is really nice. So we'll catch up with you at the museum. Well, we've got her back at the museum. This is our little spot. We're gonna try and have our
photography area at. So you can kind of see we have a bunch of stuff. This is the barn, essentially, where everything's parked. And we're going to try and set something up in the back here. People can sit right back here and voila, photos. Well, we've officially set up our little Christmas display. I think it's going to be a really cute little photo op, and I hope we get enough people out here so we can, you know, make a couple donations and continue to raise money for the Studebaker. But thank you so much for your help. You helped make this look very beautiful. This is just making me feel good today. We did so much today on this Studebaker. You know, I got the stake bed in it. I got it all finished up and cleaned up. This feels really good having it at this point right now. Like, I'm just enjoying it. So that's it for this video. Hopefully we'll have another video where we can kind of walk you through the Studebaker, everything we did to it, and maybe some history on it. But until next time, see you guys in the next video.